Hello, friends. How are you all doing? I am a nutritionist. I am Vinita Sinha, based out of Delhi, India, and I am a nutritionist and a diet consultant, also a wellness coach. I help people in reversing their lifestyle diseases. I help people in doing their weight loss. I help people to modify their diet, and that's how I help the people to reverse their lifestyle diseases like diabetes, arthritis, blood pressure, asthma, psoriasis, hair fall, and all other skin issues also. So I consult for weight loss also, and also for uh, improving their lifestyle, improving their cooking style, their cooking habits. So, if you are interested in weight loss, then you might definitely contact me. I help weight. For example, if you are coming to me for weight loss, do you know why weight loss doesn't happen even if you have tried so many things? You might have tried many things. You might have tried, many options that are available right now. But even then, the sustainable weight loss does not happen. What is the reason behind it? It is just because every body is very special to oneself, and every body has a different chemistry, and every body responds differently. So, there is no one size fits all that can be applicable for everyone. So, that is the reason that everybody needs to receive a customized approach, a customized consultation, and a hand holding to go across the weight loss journey. So, the weight loss journey will happen only if all the other parameters of your body are also good. For example, one of my friends came to me for weight loss, and we asked her to get her blood test done. And you know what? We came to know that she had developed thyroid, she had developed uric acid problems, she had developed, diabetes, and she was not aware of it. So now, if such a person comes to me for help for weight loss, how do I help her? I have to first address the other issues that is affecting her body chemistry. Only then the weight loss will fall in place. So I started with her, working with her, and actually I helped. It took me around 3 to 4 months, and I helped her reverse her thyroid. She was not required to go for medicines for thyroid. Only with diet and exercise and food filling gaps that I've advised her. And over a period of 3 months, her uric acid levels also came down. Her thyroid levels actually reversed, and from the borderline of diabetes, she came down below the borderline. So, this happened in a matter of 3 to 4 months. So, if you are actually looking for weight loss, you need to see that the all your other parameters are also in place, in line, and only then it can happen. So, mm, and also you need to do some lifestyle changes. You know, uh, we have we have actually gone ahead and changed our food pattern. We have changed our cooking pattern. You know, so you need to think that what you're eating and what you're filling into your stomach, that is actually causing inflammations in your body, inside the body, and that is actually affecting the other parameters. So you actually need to be very cautious about what you're eating and how healthy food you can eat. Actually, whatever lifestyle diseases that are there prevalent there, all of them are can be changed just by modifying your lifestyle. And what does lifestyle mean? The lifestyle means, you need to have a good food, a good healthy food with all the components of food that should be there in your plate for all your three meals. You should have a healthy sleep. You should have a stress free life. You should have you know a sense of belongingness. So and also fill in your food gaps. So these are some of the pillars that I go ahead addressing, and that's how I help people in reversing their lifestyle diseases as well as weight loss. Weight loss will definitely fall into place if all your other parameters are in line, are healthy and in good condition. Then of course weight loss will definitely happen. So this is how I help people. And you know always you should also know that weight loss might be due to different reasons. It might be due to your fatty liver, it might be due to your diabetes levels, your cholesterol levels, your HDL levels need to be in line. Your If your cholesterol levels are high, definitely you cannot lose weight before addressing your cholesterol levels. So just see that all your parameters are in place, and only then the weight loss can happen. So weight loss is will become the secondary issue if you have other health parameters that are not in place. So all of those things need to be in place first before addressing the weight loss. So while you address your fatty liver issues, your cholesterol issues, your diabetes issues, your uric acid, thyroid, all these issues, weight loss will definitely fall into place. So the science behind it is that you have to just address your lifestyle issues. Also, you know what, we have actually developed the cooking pattern that we have is actually not very healthy. We tend to eat either junk food, or we tend to eat either a lot of fried and fatty foods. We so instead of having fatty foods in our daily diet, try and avoid fatty foods, as well as try and cook without oil. If you can do that, that will be wonderful, and it will actually put all your parameters in place. So I can understand that cooking without oil is difficult, but it is easy because I have also developed that, and I have been training people. I do live webinars also on cooking sessions. So you can visit those sessions and see how cooking can also be done without oil. So just don't think that without cooking without oil is not easy, is not is difficult. It is actually easy, and you can do it. So only thing is required is you need to be very you need to think about it and be aware and be cautious about it, that of course you can do, and you can have a good healthy lifestyle. It is also essential for your children that you help them and develop healthy eating habits, because ultimately these children are moving forward towards a more complex scenarios in their future life. So if their eating habits are healthy, and they learn and they develop a healthy lifestyle pattern, it will be very helpful for them for their future also. And it one should actually go ahead and teach their children to live a healthy lifestyle. When children ask for snacks in the evening, the 5 p.m. snacks is something which is very dangerous. So if you feed them with something for oily and fatty thing, of course their health issues will also start affecting at such a small age. So why not give something which is made at home and without oil and also healthy. So if you start thinking in these lines, the health of your children, your family will be enriched. And what is more important these days is the health is has become the first priority. And if you don't prioritize your health, all your wealth goes away in the hospitals and medical treatments. So why not invest in your health and invest for a healthy lifestyle and go ahead, live a healthy and happy life. So, my advice to all of you, all my friends, would be adopt a healthy lifestyle to put away all the other health issues that might come in the future for yourself as well as for your family. You are also very important for your family because you are the backbone of the family. So if your health is not in good state, it actually affects the whole family. So first of all, try and address your health, keep your health fine, and also the health of the family. All it is all in your hands. And it is not so difficult. It is slight changes and slight modifications that you need to do in your daily lifestyle, in your daily eating patterns, in your daily exercises, in your diet, in your drinking water drinking habits. All these things, if you take into consideration and if you address those issues, you will definitely have a healthy and a happy life. And that's how you teach your children also. So from where do the children learn to eat junk food? It is just because we promote them. We as parents, if we give them junk options for eating junk food, we are the culprits. Why blame the children? We need to address our thinking first. If we do not give them junk food, they will definitely not get it. Because if you tell them that this is the only option that you have to eat, and they will definitely eat. So just think about it, and it is just a matter of thought and awareness that you need to have in order to have a healthy lifestyle with your family, along with your family and for your family. With that, I end this session. Do you have any questions? You can always keep visiting my Facebook profile, my Instagram profile. I keep posting health messages and health advice. And if you need any personalized or any personalized advice, you may directly come back to me. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for encouraging me and thanks for being with me.